What's up, guys? Welcome back to the FL Studio 21 channel lab. And today we're going to learn how to install your Midi device. I have a Midi keyboard, a Nectar GX61 plugged up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to Options, Midi Settings. I know, who would have thought? Who would have thought? So we're going to click on your what you have. You're going to click Enable, link note to, we're going to click none on that because it just makes it weird and confusing as far as like sound leveling goes. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it right there. As you can see, it's working now. So cool, guys, that's pretty much how you do it, and thanks for watching. Peace out.